Today is Monday, March 16th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And there is a strong storm system pushing through the Great Lakes. We got heavy rain in parts of the Northeast. We got snow coming in on the backside of this thing here through the Midwest of Great Lakes. And there could be a significant severe weather outbreak that stretches from upstate New York all the way down to the Carolinas. Let me show you what this looks like on the weather map on this Monday morning. What a busy Monday morning it is. There's that low pressure system. It's hard to see, but as you follow the cold front, there's actually a secondary low that's developing here in the Appalachians. And this is going to provide the spin in the atmosphere, the change in wind direction with height that will enhance the severe weather. So I think the greatest risk for tornadoes, for example, is going to be basically from Philly down to DC and maybe even getting into North Carolina. And then on the backside of this thing, it's very much so winter with snow and plummeting temperatures throughout the Midwest. So plummeting temperatures is key because as you look at these numbers, not bad, right? But very misleading because a lot of us have already seen our high temperatures. See what's happening back here? These numbers are more indicative of what it's going to be as we head into this afternoon. Plummeting temperatures, rain changing over to snow. 60s in Pittsburgh this morning with falling temperatures there as well. Same for Cincy and Louisville. Everyone's turning colder. St. Louis, you're already on the cold side. And then it's well east of the front where we could see the severe weather today. Eastern Tennessee through North Carolina, Virginia, eastern West Virginia, Maryland, and Pennsylvania. And then tomorrow we're very much in the cold, but spring tries to push back, and then it does win. By the end of the week, we're back into the upper 40s to around 50. Right now, it looks like we'll be in the 40s for the upcoming weekend. In Chicago, the cold air is coming in today. So by the end of the day, we're in the 20s. We'll be in the 20s again tomorrow. Then the warm-up happens, and we're back into spring weather by the end of the weekend. So today, the area to watch really stretches from parts of upstate New York through eastern Pennsylvania, eastern West Virginia, Virginia, Maryland, down through the Carolinas. There could be tornadoes today. There could be large hail. There could be damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. So this is a good day to be weather aware. Make sure you have the Weather with Erick app on your phone. That'll let you know when there's severe weather coming your way. And that way you have at least a warning on what's coming in your direction. And the alerts move with you, so you'll know exactly what's happening in your location. We got thunderstorms all the way down to New Orleans and Tampa. Some scattered thunderstorms later on today also down the Florida Peninsula. So that's because of a cold front coming through. We got the clash of the seasons, so that is part of the reason we're having this severe weather today. It'll be colder tomorrow in Charlotte, a high closer to 50. That's the same for Wednesday, but then we're back into spring weather by the end of the week. It's stormy this morning in Fort Lauderdale. We'll get a bit of a breakthrough this afternoon, and then I think there could be a few more storms that develop early this evening into the overnight hours. That is also a cold front. That's going to knock down those temperatures dramatically. So it's not just in the Northeast. It's all the way down the Florida Peninsula. We're going to be in the 70s for the rest of this week in Fort Lauderdale. So that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great rest of the week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.